G'day everyone! So, it is the first time that I am home alone since I moved here. So I think it's time to do one of these epic cleaning videos. This bathtub is nasty. Oh my goodness, it's nasty and I'm making it worse. The sink, stuff downstairs isn't too bad, but this is going to be an epic cleaning video. So, enjoy. pleased. I'm melting hot. Oh, I've been dripping sweat all day. It's been like 33 degrees inside, but the house is done. The house is clean. There's a little bit of dishes left in the dishwasher that are still going, but I think it's time for me to take a shower. Definitely. I'm gonna do a run through the house here, show you what it looks like. Alright, front door. The bathroom in here is all nice and spotlessly clean. So somebody left this up and didn't flush the toilet. This was all horrifying looking, as you may be able to see from the previous time lapse. Mirrors all clean. These floors are all cleaned up and done. I vacuumed down the stairwell. All these floors have been wiped and swept and or vacuumed. All of this has been wiped down and cleaned, and all of the things put away except for just a couple of stuff that's still there. Even the coffee maker needed cleaned. These floors are all nice. Couch is vacuumed. Everything has been moved and cleaned, and we vacuumed up the stairs. The stairs are all clean now. The empty bedroom is clean too now. Well, this carpet's kind of a lost cause, but it's not covered in dirt anymore. And then, last but not least, the upstairs bathroom. This is beautiful. This is all clean. Smells good. Even washed the shower curtain in the washer. Mirror is clean. The sink is all clean. Well, that was a good long day's work for sure. It was worth it. Now I'm going to take a shower, clean myself up, probably relax and watch some YouTube. Not sure what else to do tonight. That was pretty much it, because I had nothing to do today, and I'll get my YouTube money till tomorrow. So I'm a little short on funds, can't really go out and do anything, but that's okay. The house needed cleaned, and now the house is clean. Anyways, if you like cleaning videos, I do them every once in a while. This is probably one of the most epic ones I've ever done, because I just moved here and the people left it a mess when I moved out. So it's going to be hard to beat this one. Maybe if I get a job where I have to clean somewhere or something like that, like somebody pays me to clean something, that might get a better video, but I don't know how I'm going to one-up this one. This is the most intense cleaning I've done in a house, I think. Pretty well ever. But anyways, I'm going to leave this here. If you like this type of video, be sure to rate the video, a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more. I do all kinds of videos, everything from vlogs to video games to current events, all kinds of things. Just about everything. Relaxing videos, stuff to help you sleep, satisfying videos. You know, I try to make all the kinds. You know. Anyways, see y'all later. Thanks for watching. I wasn't kidding. It's really hot in here.